Hey gentlemen, welcome back to Dental Miracle. What if your dentist could predict a cavity before you even feel it? What if you could get a custom crown printed in your dentist's office in under an hour? And what if you never had to leave your house for a routine dental checkup? Welcome to Dentistry in 2026. And trust me, it looks nothing like the dentist chair you remember as a kid. In Dental Miracle Channel, where we break down everything happening in the world of oral health, dental science, and the technology changing smiles everywhere, today we are covering the top 5 dental technology trends of 2026, from AI reading your x-rays to 3D printers spitting out perfect teeth. Whether you are a professional, a patient, or just curious, this video is for you. So let's dive in. Starting off at number 1, and arguably the most transformative trend in dentistry right now, artificial intelligence in dental diagnostics. For decades, reading x-rays has been an art form. A trained dentist stares at grayscale images looking for subtle shadows and tiny fractures. It takes years of training, and even then, humans miss things. AI does not. In 2026, AI diagnostic tools are integrated directly. The AI analyzes the image in seconds, flagging cavities, bone loss, and even signs of cancer. Studies show AI-assisted diagnosis catches up to 30% more pathologies than visual examination alone. That is 1 in 3 problems that might have been missed. For dentists, it means a second opinion that never gets tired. AI is now Tuesday morning at your local dental office. All right, number 2. And this one genuinely blew my mind. In-office 3D printing and same-day restorations. In 2026, the entire process from scan to cemented crown can happen in under 90 minutes. In the same chair, on the same day, systems use an intraoral scanner to take a precise 3D map that scan feeds into software, which models the restoration automatically. The dentist reviews the design, hits print, and by the time you've watched a video, your crown is ready. This is manufacturing speed dentistry, and it is here now. Number 3, TeleDentistry. This trend is genuinely changing who gets dental care in this world. TeleDentistry lets a patient take high-quality photos using their smartphone and share those with a licensed dental provider for review. No appointment, no waiting room, no travel. It's a first line of defense in rural areas and underserved communities. Number 4, smart toothbrushes and the Internet of Teeth. Dentistry is catching up to fitness trackers fast. These devices use sensors to track exactly how you brush, which zones you miss, how hard you press, and whether technique is effective. And finally, number 5, regenerative dentistry. The big question, can we actually grow back a tooth? In 2026, we are on the edge of something historic. Biotech companies are in clinical trials for a tooth regrowth drug. The philosophy is shifting from replace and repair to regenerate and restore. Losing a tooth might not be a permanent sentence. What is wild is that every single one of these trends is being used right now in offices and research labs. Which trend excites you most? Drop your answer in the comments. Like and subscribe to Dental Miracle. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.